in this set of problems, we are given that there are 8 students A, B, C, D and E, F, G, H. They have taken a test on general knowledge, and on the basis of the marks that they have obtained, A, B, C and D calculate the difference between their marks and each of E, F, G and H. The difference of the marks are given in this table. Let us see what is the interpretation of the data given in each cell. For example, let us consider the data given in first row and first column, that is R1 C1. We are given that this value is 2. Now this value 2 means that the score of A was 2 marks more than the score of E. Okay. Now we are also given that in calculating these differences, A, B, C and D might have made some mistakes, and hence this data may not have been correct. Let's look at the first question. We are given that both A and D did not make any mistake in calculating these differences, and now we are supposed to find out the data that is there in the cell number R1 C4 and R4 C1. We can say let E scored X marks. If E scored X marks, then A must have scored X plus 2, and accordingly F must have scored X plus 1 marks, and D X minus 2 marks, and H must have scored X plus 1 marks. Now for the data of the cell R1 C4, we want to know how many more or less marks than H did A score. So as A is X plus 2 and H is X plus 1, we can say that this data must be plus 1 only. Similarly, we can find out the data in the cell number R4 C1, which will come out to be minus 2, and hence the sum of the data in the two cells will be nothing but minus 1, and hence option 3 is the correct answer.